Hello student, right now we do exercise 4.3 chapter 4 simple equations, sum 3, 4 and its examples. Sum number 3, solve the equation. Statement is on your screen. Part A, 4 equals to 5 into p minus 2. Observe this question number 3. Here all the variable term at the right hand side. In the previous question, variable was left hand side, but need not to worry. Same process we will solve it. See 4, this 5 in multiplication, change its side, goes in denominator, left hand side में आ जाएगा. p minus 2 same process है. 4 by 5, this minus 2 comes to left hand side, becomes of plus, p same at the right hand side. Now fraction part solve by taking LCM. Divide किया 1 multiplied by 4, 4 1 जा 4. Divide किया 5, 5 2 जा 10 equals to p. 4 plus 10, 14 by 5 equals to p. अब आप इसको इस तरह से लिख दो, p equals to 14 by 5. I am interchanging the sides only. Right hand side in left hand side comes, left hand side comes to right hand side. Your answer is p. Next is part B. Minus 4 equals to 5 into p minus 2. Let me change its side first. Right hand side becomes of left hand side. This left hand side becomes right hand side. Both are same things. There is no difference. p minus 2 same. This 5 goes in division because of multiply. p minus 2. p same at the right hand side. This minus 2 goes to right hand side, becomes of plus 2. Take LCM. Then 10 minus 4 makes 6, 6 by 5. p is 6 by 5 is answer. आप इसको राइट हैंड साइड में रख के सॉल्व करें तब भी आंसर सेम आएगा. आप इसको पहले ही साइड इंटरचेंज कर दीजिए तब भी आंसर सेम आएगा. पार्ट सी. 16 equals to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2. Left hand side 16, right hand side. Interchange. 4 plus 3 into t plus 2 equals to 16. Our motto, we have to separate this t. 3 into t plus 2 same. This 4 प्लस में है, वहां जाके किस में हो जाएगा, माइनस में. 16 minus 4 makes 12. 3 in multiplication, change its side, it comes to right hand side, goes in division. 3 4 ja. t plus 2 is equals to 4. Then t is equals to 4 plus 2 goes in minus. t is equals to 2 is your required answer. Part D. 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 equals to 24. This 4 comes to right hand side, becomes of minus. Plus minus minus, sign which is greater. Plus 34 which is greater than 4, sign of plus. 34 minus 4 makes 30. p minus 1. This 5 goes in division. 5 6 जा. p minus 1 equals to 6. p equals to 6, this one here, then p is equals to 7. Last part D, you will try yourself. Give me comments in the comment box. Next one, construct 3 equations starting with x equals to 2. Part B, construct 3 equations starting with x equals to minus 2. Here we have particular value of these variable and we find the equations which satisfy these two conditions. Just like here are so many conditions, बहुत सारी equations हो सकती है. Let we are trying here one condition. It may be 5x minus 3 equals to 7. You have to think it. When you solve, the value of x comes 2. See, 5x 7, 3 कहाँ जाएगा प्लस में. 5x equals to 10, तो वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 2. सी, x आपको 2 ही चाहिए था. इस तरह की बहुत सारी इक्वेशंस हो सकती है. इनफिनाइट कंडीशन इट कैन बी. इनफाइनाइट conditions it can be. We have to find 2 more equations. Try yourself for these 2 equations. Now sum for part B. Construct 3 equations starting with x equals to minus 2. Possible equation we take here. 3x equals to minus 6. Solve. X left hand side, 3 goes to right hand side. In division, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. See, x is equals to minus 2. We need x equals to minus 2 na. It can be also infinite conditions. Infinite conditions it can be. ये आपके सोचने पर डिपेंड है कि आप कितनी इक्वेशन सोच सकते हो. और इसने तो हमसे 3 इक्वेशंस ही मांगी है. Remaining 2 equations you will try yourself. Now next we do example number 6 and 7 of the exercise 4.3. Solve. 12p minus 5 equals to 25. Simple solving. 12p left hand side, 25 right hand side, minus 5 becomes of plus when we change its side. 30, separate p, 12 goes in division. Now cut. 2 15 ja, 2 6 ja, 3 5 ja, 3 2 ja. Value of p is 5 by 2 is your required answer. Example 7, part A. 4 into m plus 3 equals to 18. m plus 3 same. 4 goes into division. 2 9 ja, 2 2 ja. m plus 3 is equals to 9 by 2. Separate the m. Left hand side में m same. Right hand side में 9 by 2 same. This 3 becomes of minus when we change its side. Fraction part, you have to take LCM. Divide 9 1 ja 9. Divide 3 2 ja 6. डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट से डिवाइड करते हैं. जो क्वेश्चन आएगा, क्वेश्चन को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है. 9 minus 6 makes 3. 3 by 2. That's why value of m is 3 by 2 is your required answer. Next and last B part. See, minus 2. In division, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. X plus 3 is equals to 4 by minus 1. Shift this minus in numerator, minus 4. Now plus 3 कहाँ आएगा? राइट हैंड साइड में. Then x is equals to minus 7 is required answer. Okay guys, exercise 4.3 completed. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep smiling always. Grow more and more trees.